got to help with the swabbing. Back in Bloodgood's lab, initial tests showed 3 of the 4 ducks swabbed had the highly contagious virus.
We have found many different positive species, ranging from waterfowl to raptors like eagles and hawks.
In fact, since the outbreak began in 2022, this strain of the virus has been detected in wild birds in all 50 states. There are reports of birds falling out of the sky and washing up on beaches.
What mammals have tested positive for bird flu?
In New York State, it's primarily been red fox. We've seen a skunk, an opossum, a bobcat.
Does that suggest that the flu is mutating?
It could, yes.
A mutation caused this massive die-off of elephant seals on the Argentinian coast in 2023.
The beaches are still covered with bones.
UC Davis scientist Dr. Marcella Uhart says in just weeks, the mutated virus spread, killing 17,000 of these top ocean predators. She estimates it will take the species 10 to 70 years to recover.
So the bird flu has the potential to really upset an ecosystem. Absolutely, because the bird flu impact is also adding to climate change.